Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to IQRA with IQRA Q Factor. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Today, a lot of people have rang and they have read marvelously well. I pray that they get better and better and better, inshallah. And those people who have not yet rang the show IQRA with IQRA, whether it's a Monday or a Tuesday or a Wednesday, Thursday, even today, Friday, next week, make that call, inshallah, and participate in any of the days. It's totally up to you. Let's go back to Zahra again. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Ji Zahra, can you carry on from where you left off? Yes?
Yes.
Let's have a please for Zahra. Do you remember where you left off?
Yes.
Go on then. Now say A'udhu Billah again.
A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Tawafuna alaykum ba'dukum ala ba'. Kazalika yubayyinu Allahu lakumul ayat wallahu alimun hakim. Wa idza balagal atfalu minkumul hulum falyastazinu kama stazana allazina min
qablihim
kazalika yubayyinu Allahu lakum ayati wallahu alimun hakim. Wal-qawaidu minan nisa'il lati la yarjuna nikahan falaysa alayhinna junahun yada'na siyabahunna ghayra mutabarrijatin bizina.
Okay.
Wa ayyasta'fifna khayrun lahun wallahu sami'un alim.
Okay, brilliant. Give it to your sister, please.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. What's your name?
Aisha.
Aisha. Okay, Aisha, how old are you?
10.
10. All right. You're going to continue from verse number 61 of this surah, yes?
Yes.
Okay, let's have a place for Aisha.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. ليس على الأعمى حرج ولا على الأعرج حرج ولا على المريض حرج ولا على أنفسكم أن تأكلوا من بيوتكم أو بيوت آبائكم أو بيوت أمهاتكم أو بيوت إخوانكم أو بيوت أخواتكم أو بيوت أعمامكم أو بيوت أماتكم أو بيوت أخوالكم أو بيوت خالاتكم أو ما ملكتم مفاتيحه أو صديقكم. ليس عليكم جناح أن تأكلوا جميعا أو أشتاتا أشتاتا فإذا دخلتم بيوتا فسلموا على أنفسكم تحية من عند الله مباركة طيبة ذلك يبين الله لكم الآيات لعلكم تعقلون.
Okay, lovely Aisha and Zahra, thank you so much. Good reading, mashallah, good reading indeed. Let's move on to our next caller now. Next caller, the person waiting. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Fayad, how are you doing?
Fine, how are you?
I'm very well. You're 10?
No.
No, sorry, you're 8, aren't you?
Yes.
Okay, lovely. Let's have the last ruku, then we're finishing Surah Nur, then we're going to move on to Mashq now. Yes, on the screen, please, Surah Nur, last ruku.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنما المؤمنون الذين آمنوا بالله ورسوله وإذا كانوا معه على أمر جامع لم يذهبوا حتى يستأذنوا إن الذين يستأذنونك أولئك الذين يؤمنون بالله ورسوله
فإذا استأذنوك
لبعض شأنهم فأذن لمن شئت منهم واستغفر لهم الله إن الله غفور رحيم لا تجعلوا دعاء الرسول بينكم كدعاء بعضكم بعضا قد يعلم الله الذين يتسللون منكم لواذا فليحذر الذين يخالفون عن أمره.
You can't say لفونا.
يخالفون عن أمره أن تصيبهم فتنة أو يصيبهم فتنة أو يصيبهم عذاب أليم ألا إن لله ما في السماوات والأرض قد يعلم ما أنتم عليه ويوم يرجعون إليه فينبئهم بما عملوا والله بكل شيء عليم.
Okay, lovely. Thank you so much, Fayad. That's Surah An-Nur, mashallah, completed. And next week, we will start the next surah, Surah Furqan, Thursday, Khatm al-Quran, inshallah. And let's see if next week, if we can finish 18, 19, and maybe 20, it's not too hard, it's not difficult. I reckon we can do it. Thursday, Khatm al-Quran, morning and evening. And Friday, the Q Factor day, inshallah, we'll do more Khatm al-Quran in the morning session and this time here. Now let's hear your last 10 surahs. Any surah from Surah Al-Fil to Surah Al-Nas, the last 10 surahs in the Quran. And also if you want to read Surah Al-Fatiha, you can do so. And this is going to be off by heart. Nothing's coming on the screen. I want to hear your reading. I want to see how good you are, because we have done a lot of practice in these surahs. So next person calling. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Who's that?
Maryam.
Maryam, from where?
London.
How are you, Maryam?
Good.
And how old are you?
10.
Right. You had a good day today?
Yes.
Yes. Why have you had a good day today? Huh? Can you say why you've had a good day?
No.
You can't say why you've had a good day, no? Never mind. Which surah would you like to read? Huh?
IQRA.
Which one?
IQRA.
IQRA. No, I don't know a surah by IQRA. You can read from Surah Al-Fil all the way down to Surah Al-Nas, and also you can read Surah Al-Fatiha.
Okay.
So which one?
Surah Al-Nas.
Surah Al-Nas you want to read?
Yeah.
Okay, let's hear it.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس.
Okay, mashallah, that was really good. That was really, really good, mashallah. You have rang before. You rang yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Did you ring yesterday?
Yeah.
And do you try to watch IQRA with IQRA every day?
Yeah.
Okay, and do you learn Quran elsewhere?
I used to go to mosque, but now I don't, because I left a few days ago.
Why did you leave a few days ago?
Because I'm moving.
You're moving?
Yeah.
Where are you moving? You're out of London?
No.
You're in London?
Yeah.
Are you moving far?
Yeah.
Yeah, so where are you living now and where are you going to move to?
I'm living in
East London, North London, West London, South London?
West.
And you're moving to?
East London. Oh, East London.
And you're moving to? Will you be staying in East London?
East London and Manor Park.
All right, mashallah. Okay, brilliant. Listen, Maria, that was good reading. Honestly, it was. I really do mean that. And I want you to call again next week. Can you do that?
Okay.
Can you call me on? Can you call me Monday afternoon?
Yeah.
All right, lovely. Listen, have a good weekend and enjoy. And I hope your moving house is good and easy, and there's no problems and troubles, inshallah. I mean, thank you. Take care. Next call. Next person. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Who's that? Who's that? What's your name?
Salahuddin.
Who's that? Salahuddin, from where?
Yes.
Okay, listen, you need to speak louder and stop playing with your phone. Speak louder. Salahuddin?
Yes.
Yes, how old are you, Salahuddin?
I'm 7.
You're 7, okay. And which surah will you like to read?
Surah Nasr.
Surah Nasr, okay, let's hear it.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفر إنه كان توابا.
Okay, I thought that was very good. Good reading, Salahuddin. Is this your first time calling the show?
Yes.
Okay, and how long have you been watching Iqra with Iqra?
I watch it sometimes.
Pardon?
I watch it sometimes.
Sometimes. And why can you not watch it the other times?
Because I read Quran and sometimes.
You read Quran where? At home?
Yes, at home.
Right, mashallah. And who is teaching you at home?
Sometimes my dad, but sometimes my mum.
Acha, so they take turns. Sometimes your mum and sometimes your dad. Well, they're doing a good job, mashallah. Keep it up. And Salahuddin, I'll speak to you again. Do call me next week, yes?
Okay.
All right then. Take care, mate. Have a good weekend. Next person, please. Let's see who the next viewer is on the line. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
One, Sir Hamza Rahman.
Yes.
You right, mate?
Yes. How are you?
Yeah, good, good. Thanks. Are you from Luton?
Yes.
So how's Luton doing?
It's fine.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Have you had a good day at school?
Yeah.
Why is that? See, every time I ask why, no one can ever answer. You don't know why you had a good day at school?
No.
No. How comes you don't? Then why did you say you had a good day at school? Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know why you even said yes, why you had a good day at school? Hamza Rahman.
Hello.
You've got no answers or what? What? Okay, forget it. Which surah do you want to read?
Surah At-Takathur.
Surah, no, I told you, mate. It's from Surah Fil down to Surah Nas. And you can also, you've got an option to read Surah Fatiha as well. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So which one do you want to read?
Can I read Surah Ma'un?
Surah Ma'un, far away.
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أرأيت الذي يكذب بالدين فذلك الذي يدع اليتيم ولا يحض على طعام المسكين فويل للمصلين الذين هم عن صلاتهم ساهون الذين هم يراءون ويمنعون الماعون.
Not bad, mashallah. Hamza, that was very good. What you going to do now then?
I'm gonna watch the show and then I'm gonna go do some homework.
Homework, yeah? And what you doing over the weekend?
I'm gonna go to my auntie's house in the evening.
You're going to pop over to your auntie's house, yeah? Then is she in Luton too?
Yes.
Okay. Well, look, enjoy the weekend, mate, and I'll speak to you next week.
Okay, you enjoy the weekend too.
Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Next call. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Who that?
Mujiba.
All right, Mujiba. How's it going?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, not bad, not bad. All good, mashallah. You read well, mashallah, earlier on. You read very, very good.
Thank you.
Now, which surah you want to read now?
Surah Nas.
Surah?
Nas.
Let's hear it.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفر إنه كان توابا.
Marvelous. That was very good, Mujiba.
Okay, thank you.
So what you going to do now then?
I'm not sure yet.
You're not sure. What you going to do over the weekend?
Go to my auntie's house.
Everyone's bashing at the auntie's place. Why is that? Even Hamza Rahman from Luton is going to his auntie's yard too. Anyway, you should and you are going to your auntie's place every so often. Enjoy it. Have a good weekend and I'll speak to you next week, inshallah.
Okay.
Next call. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you?
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am very well. How are you, Mr. Muhammad?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine.
Are you sure you are fine?
Yes.
Why are you fine?
Because it's Friday.
Ah, that's a good answer, because it's Friday and it's weekend tomorrow, mashallah. That is a very good answer, mate. Okay, listen. Which surah you want to read? Huh?
I'm going to choose.
Obviously, you're going to choose. That's what I'm asking ya.
Surah Shams.
Nay, I don't mean like that. It's not that open. From Fil to Nas, the last 10 surahs. You can include Fatiha in it as well.
Okay.
Because those are the 10 surahs that we've been over, haven't we?
Yeah.
Vocal practice, mashq in Surah Tope. Do you know what I mean?
Surah Ma'un.
Okay, let's hear it.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أرأيت الذي يكذب بالدين فذلك الذي يدع اليتيم ولا يحض على طعام المسكين فويل للمصلين الذين هم عن صلاتهم ساهون الذين هم يراءون ويمنعون الماعون.
Lovely, thank you so much. Is Rubina going to read? Can my sister read a surah? Well, of course she can. I just asked, is Rubina going to read? Put her on.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you?
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am very well, Rubina. How are you?
I'm fine, alhamdulillah.
Okay, that's good. And you have had a good day at school today, Rubina?
Yes.
Why did you have a good day at school today?
Because it's Friday.
Because it's Friday. All right then. Which surah do you want to read? Huh?
Can I read Surah Al-Fil?
Surah Al-Fil, you can. When you are ready, can you start, please?
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألم ترى كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل وأرسل عليهم طير الأبابيل ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل فجعلهم كعصف مأكول.
كعصف مأكول.
كعصف مأكول.
Okay, that's brilliant. Thank you so much. Rubinas and Muhammad Bhai Patel from Liverpool. I'll speak to you again very soon. Enjoy the weekend. Let's move on to our next person in line. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Gee, who's that?
My name is Ridwan Jafar.
Your name is Ridwan Jafar from where?
From East London Manor Park.
East London Manor Park. And how old are you, Mr. Jafar?
I am 10 years old.
Okay, mashallah. And how long have you been watching IQRA with IQRA?
I've been watching it for over 3 months.
Over 3 months. And how did you find out about the show?
I've been finding it out good for me to learn.
No, that is not the question. The question is, how did you first find out? Who told you about Iqra with Iqra, or did you just find out yourself?
I found out myself.
How did you find out yourself?
I went to TV Guide and I was looking for Islam channel. Then I found.
So you are basically flicking?
Yeah.
And you are browsing?
Yeah.
You are doing television browsing?
Yes.
You're doing channel browsing?
No, yeah.
And then you found Iqra with Iqra, yes?
Yeah.
And is this the first time you're calling?
Yes, this is my first.
And why is this your first day? Why? Have you not been trying before, or the lines have been busy? What's the cause?
The line's been busy, and then the line's been busy, and I didn't know if it was gonna charge bills, so I had to end the phone.
It doesn't charge. It's free of charge, mate.
Oh, it's free?
Of course it's free. It's a landline number, 0207. Can you not see?
Yeah.
0208, sorry, maaf karna. 0208, 0208. You know, whenever you see 0208, it means it's free.
Oh.
No charge.
Okay.
Whether it's mobile, whether it's landline. Huh?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yes, I understand.
So don't worry about bill. No money. You just call and read Quran. Allah give you so much reward. Okay, which surah you want to read?
I want to read Surah Fatiha.
Okay, let's hear it.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين
إياك نستعين. Okay, listen, it's إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. Not ta. Don't make the ta a full mouth, yeah? Again,
إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين.
See, that's better.
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Ameen. Okay, that was good. What's your name again?
Ridwan Jafar.
Ridwan Jafar. Okay, Ridwan Jafar, that was very good, mashallah. Where do you learn your Quran, or where are you learning your Quran?
I used to go mosque, but I had to leave, and now a Qadi Sahib comes to my house to teach me.
Okay, so why did you leave the mosque?
Because I had to move houses.
Acha, so where you move now, there's no mosques there?
No.
Acha, so you get, what's a Qari Sahib?
My Qadi Sahib?
Yeah, what's one of those?
Oh, like a huzur.
Who, what?
A huzur, like a person that teaches you.
Oh, so basically a person that teaches you, you call him huzur, yeah?
Yeah, he's a hafiz.
He's a hafiz, so you call him huzur, and you call him a hafiz, and you call him a curry sahib.
No, I call him huzur.
Does he eat a lot of curries?
Yeah, he's a Qadi.
Oh, because he, what, chicken curry, lamb curry, what, prawn curry, what curries does he like eating?
Could you say that again?
No, I mean, what kind of curries does he like eating? Chicken curry or lamb curry?
He likes eating fish curry.
Oh, fish curry, so that's what you call him curry, sahib.
No.
That one, anyway, listen. That was very good. So you call him curry sahib because he loves fish curry, yeah?
No.
Oh, mashallah. Okay, then why did you call him curry sahib for then?
He tells me to call Qadi Sahib, but I normally call him huzur or sometimes Qadi Sahib.
Okay, that's good on you, mate. Listen, that was good reading, yeah? And I want you to call me next week as well. Can you do that?
Yes, I can call next week, inshallah.
Okay, lovely. Thank you so much, mate. Tara, have a good weekend. Next call, assalamu alaikum. Oh, no worries. Assalamu alaikum.
Hello?
Hello, who's that?
This is Amaya Razik.
Who?
Amaya Razik.
Umaira.
Amaya.
Amira.
Amaya.
Amaya.
Yeah.
Okay, how are you doing, Amaya?
I'm okay.
Okay, where are you calling from?
Nottingham.
Nottingham. I love Nottingham City. It's beautiful. Very nice.
Why do you like Nottingham?
Why? Because I was there for 2 years.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's why. You know
Okay.
the Trent University?
Yeah.
Do you know that one?
Yeah.
I was there a long time ago. Anyway, listen, how old are
Okay.
you?
11.
11. And how long have you been watching Iqra with Iqra?
Since it first started.
Is it? When was that?
I can't remember now.
Oh dear. You must have been, are you 11 now?
Yeah.
Let's go, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. You must have been maybe 6 or 7
Yeah.
when it started. So is this the first time you're calling in?
I think it's my fourth time because I've been calling before, but it was a long time ago.
So why have you not been calling all this time?
Because I've started secondary school, I've been quite busy.
While working or something? Or
Yeah, but I still, with my grandma, I still read myself like I'm a Quran.
Okay, so you've been because you're in year 7 now, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're very, very busy with homework and schoolwork and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Do you work as well, or do you just go to school?
Go to school, do my work, and then read my sabak.
Acha, so you don't work like in shops or things like that?
No.
Okay, it's just school. Okay, good. So which surah would you like to read? You can read Surah Fatiha or from Fil to Nas. You can pick
Surah Kawthar, please.
Surah Kawthar, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's hear it then.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا أعطيناك الكوثر فصل لربك وانحر إن شانئك هو الأبتر.
Okay, what did you say your name was?
Amaya.
Umayya, okay, yeah, listen. So, Umayya, you read Quran just at home?
Yeah, because the mosque turned back to only boys, so that's close to my house.
Oh, so they don't allow girls anymore?
Yeah.
Why is that?
I don't know.
Oh, you should ask them.
Okay.
Never mind. Listen, so you're at home. Do you watch? You've got to watch Iqra with Iqra every day.
Yeah.
And you got to try to call in, yeah. And
Okay.
because your Quran is really, it's not great.
Okay.
I don't want to say anything too bad, but I've got to be honest with you, right?
Okay.
I've got to be honest with you. You need a lot of help, and you need to learn a lot to improve your Quran. And you can only do that if you call, and if Mondays and Tuesdays, these are great days for you to watch and call in as well.
Okay.
Can you do that?
Yeah.
Okay, what you going to do now then?
Watch the rest of Iqra with Iqra and then read my sabak with my grandma.
Okay, and what you doing over the weekend?
My auntie's coming to stay over.
Okay, so you're not going to your auntie's, no?
No, 'cause she lives in Pakistan. She's come to visit.
Ah, so she's going to come from Pakistan, and she's coming tomorrow?
Visit.
Oh, she's coming from Pakistan tomorrow?
Oh, no. She's already here.
Oh, she's already here?
She's coming to stay at my house,
Ah, and then she's going back to Pakistan?
yeah.
How long will she be crashing at your place?
I don't know yet. We don't know yet.
Right, okay. So do you want her to stay for long?
She's been staying for about 3 months now, I think.
All right then. Well, listen, have a good weekend, yeah?
You too.
And do call me next week.
Okay.
Take care then.
Okay.
Allahun hafidun. Brilliant. Well, that was good. Alhamdulillah, new call, voices, mashallah. And that's what I want. From now till the end of the year, next year, 2015 kicks in. The show's going to be, there's going to be a lot more stuff. It's going to be more exciting, inshallah. Trying to better the show every single day. Allah give me the tawfiq. I give you also the tawfiq to spread Iqra with Iqra anywhere and everywhere you can, inshallah. Let's get more people on board. It's about the Quran end of the day. It's not about Iqra TV. It's not about Iqra with Iqra. It's not about Rayan Mahmud. But it's about Kalamullah. It's about Al-Quran Al-Kareem. It's about the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's about our salah. It's about making sure that we are reading the Quran properly. We are learning the rules of tajweed, and it's not too difficult. It's not too hard whatsoever. If you are determined and you really and truly want to better Kalamullah, very simple. Watch Iqra with Iqra. Be serious about it. If you cannot watch the whole 2 hours, that's cool. Watch a segment, couple of segments, but listen to everyone. Listen to me, and when you feel confident and ready, and you believe that you are going to get through, and you can manage that call, then make that call, inshallah, and I will talk to you. I will hear your reading. If there's any mistakes, I will take those mistakes out, inshallah. And the good thing is, now yesterday's episodes and episodes from now on, you can watch on YouTube. So you can go on YouTube and type, Iqra with Iqra, inshallah, and you will be able to watch yesterday's. It's already there. So if you want to go on, and if you want to watch, you can do that in our catch up. Today's will, inshallah, also go on. So as soon as they go on, just go and watch and catch up and learn. Have a great weekend. Fabulous weekend. Enjoy it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.